If you're someone who wants to share their skills on social media, but for some reason are always constantly doubting yourself or think that you need to get better before actually putting yourself out there, then this video is for you. See, I used to be an overthinker and I spent more than 5 years to actually finally muster the courage to show up confidently and start talking to the camera. And so I can tell this to you from first-hand experience what are some things that you need to do and some mental reframes that you can follow to start posting content not in 5 years but from today. See, what happens is if you are an overthinker or if you're a perfectionist, you have this sense of imposter syndrome that you feel like a fraud and you feel that no one should listen to you because you spend so much time stuck in your own head that you feel that you need to get better before actually showcasing your skills. And what happens is you think that if only you gained enough information or some extra knowledge that these other content creators have, that you will get better to actually start posting on social media. But this is usually not how it works because the things that you feel that you need in order to feel confident are actually the things that are totally secondary to you actually creating content. So you actually don't need any new information. You just need to look inside yourself and ask yourself, what is something that I want to share? And then just set your camera and just record and share it.